Hey everyone, want a selfie that looks amazing without even opening your camera? Today I'm going to show you how to create an AI generated selfies using Meta AI. Let's get started. First, launch the Meta AI app on your device. Then here in the main screen, click the prompt box and enter your prompt. Be as specific as possible about the look that you want, like this example prompt here. You need to describe and tell the AI that you want to create an AI generated selfies. And wait for the processing and let the Meta AI edits to generate your selfie based on your prompt. And if you want changes, you can edit your prompt for style, different lightings, or expressions. And you can download your AI generated selfie or post it directly to your social media. With Meta Edits AI, you can create the perfect selfie anytime. No makeup, no perfect lighting, no problem. Just describe it and let AI do the best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.